Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Tamara payment on Noon. So guys, what you have to do, for example, choose any product you want to purchase. For example, this product, click this one, and after that go to checkout and click on checkout from here. As you can see here, I want to go to checkout, and from here you find two options. You find Tamara, click on the Tamara payment, and then set up this one, guys, and set up your payment from here, and your favorite way to pay. You can use pay Tamara as a payment method, and then complete these steps after logging your account, and payment option available, and it's based on your order and Tamara record and subject term condition, and you can eligible for customer on United Emirates, and your final payment it's very depending on your credit history. So guys, you can just use Tamara here from option and complete the steps, and will be paid with Tamara. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment.